Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open the TikTok and go to your profile. After that, what you want to do is click on this three line. From here, go to settings and scroll down until you find report a problem. Now, click on live and click on hosting live. Now click on how to start a live and it will show exact method to how to host a live in your specific account. Just follow the prompts along and that you will be able to start your live. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.